What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel, editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at the Corsair Katar Pro wireless gaming mouse. So before I want to start, I want to give a big shout out to Andrew Williams and Justin Ocbina from Corsair. Big shout out to Andrew Williams, callsign Holiday. And a big shout out to Corsair's Justin Ocbina. Thank you guys so much for getting this sent out to the show. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have a really cool product for you today. Today we got the Corsair Katar Pro wireless gaming mouse. So as you can see right here, we have the Corsair logo on the top left, the mouse right here. And we have, you can see it's, alright, Slipstream Wireless Gaming Mouse. It's based on their brand new technology, IQ software, and that's where you're going to control all that fun stuff. Now, this is a no-nonsense mouse, meaning that there's zero RGB. So, Corsair right here, Katar Pro Wireless Slipstream Wireless Gaming Mouse, win without wires. Now, on the back here, we're going to get some features. Okay, built-in technology. 96 grams, 130 hours of battery life on a single AA, 10,000 DPI optical sensor, and compact semantic shape. Now, same thing on the left and right, nothing on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's get this fella unboxed. Okay. Just this a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, come out. Alright, first of all, right off the bat, so we've got some user guide, a manual, safety information, warranty guide, just some literature. Alright, so we do have a mouse right here. And we have our battery right here. This is a standard AA battery, and let's see what kind of this is. GP alkaline. I would have liked a Duracell in there, or at least an Energizer. And then pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's take a look at the mouse itself. Okay, that's something I really like. Guess where our adapter is? Right in the mouse itself. That's really, really nice. Okay, so we'll just put that back in there. Okay. Get this out of the way. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is the unboxing of the Katar Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. If you liked it, hit that dislike button. And if you adored it, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow, right in the kisser. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you during the video review of the Corsair Katar Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse.